Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to a special video about a trend trading, and this is one of the trend trades which I have taken today. And there is, you can see there is an ellipse where I have actually created this particular trend trade. I have entered in this particular trend trade around the level of 10,680, and now it is around the level of 10,620 levels. I exited at the level of 10,612 level. This is the place where the market has almost given 60 points down move from the level where I have bought it. If according to the trend trade, if it actually makes sense, then it makes real one heck of a money for yourself. There are 6 indications in this. So this trend trade has made about 80 points downwards from the level of 10,700 to the level of 10,610 levels, right? So it has made almost around 90 points down move. However, I was able to catch around 60 to 70 points of this particular trend trade. If you can make that happen, what will your life be? How would your life be transformed? How would you be able to make money on a daily basis? If you can catch up at least one trade like this on a daily basis, can you catch up a really good in life? That's what you have to think about. So from this particular level onwards, the market has crashed so much, and the market has given us a very decent return with just one trade, with just this trade. Alright, this is the trend trading technique which I teach in the Nifty intraday options trading course. So click on the first link in the description below to check out this Nifty intraday options trading course which I am offering. And this one particular trade itself has made around 60 points. Tomorrow is a day when the market is expiring, the options is expiring tomorrow, and the market has crashed a lot this month. So this 60 points down move is nothing. Yesterday and day before yesterday there were huge trades which has resulted in 120 points down, and we could catch up 120 points in the market. So that's quite huge. So that's what I teach in the Nifty intraday options workshop, which will be happening next week. If you want this information, click on the first link in the description below. And I just wanted to make this video just to show you how much powerful a trend trading technique in this particular course can be. So this is the video which shows that one trade can make you a rich person in the market just by following the technical analysis. Right, so by this I say goodbye, and I just wanted to show that the market can make you fortunes, and it is not just on the papers. That's it. So just by following one trend trading technique, I could catch up about 60 points. If that is the case, then you can catch it up as well, because you will follow the exact trend trading technique which I will be teaching you in the Nifty intraday options workshop. Click on the first link in the description below. You will check out when the Nifty intraday options workshop is happening, and that gives you the leverage to make a lot of money. Alright, having said that, this is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment. Don't forget, because giving comments makes me feel that I'm doing a bit good to the society. So if I can give back a bit, that would be the greatest part for me. So thank you very much, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and leave your comments below about how I'm doing with the video presentation. Alright, this is Ashok Kumar signing off. Happy trading and happy money making.